there's a little panel here. Just press that, and the door pops open. And inside, we have the instruction manual and yeah, $120 off Blue Apron. So if you're interested in that, you can order that. And this cardboard is coming out. And there's a turntable in here. So I will take this the turntable is set inside this styrofoam tray. So I will remove the tray and insert the turntable. Okay, the turntable is installed. Just remember, there are 3 little bumps on the turntable and that faces down so it can get into that little ring there. All right. And also remember, there are little plastic things here that must be removed before you start the microwave.